Hey, Miles here from WP Courses. In this video, we're going to look at the WP Courses WooCommerce integration extension for WP Courses. So what this extension allows you to do is sell the courses you've created with WP Courses using WooCommerce, which is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. So you're going to be able to sell your courses using PayPal, using credit cards, using Stripe, and much, much more. So essentially, you're going to be able to sell your courses right through your e-commerce site. All right, so what I want to do in this video is take a bird's eye view of the setup process for this and look at the features available for this extension and what this all looks like. So first thing you're going to need are three things. You're going to need WooCommerce installed and set up. You're going to need WP Courses installed and set up, and you're going to need the WP Courses WooCommerce integration installed and set up. So to install and set up WooCommerce, just head on over to the WooCommerce website. They have a ton of documentation available there, and it's actually pretty straightforward. To install and set up WP Courses, we actually have a whole course. If you just go up here to courses on how to do that, you can see we have a bunch of video tutorials on how to do pretty much everything. And lastly, you'll want to install WP Courses WooCommerce integration. You will get a download link after you purchase it through our website. All right, so once those three things are set up and ready to go, you will want to create a course using WP Courses. Again, if you're not sure how to do that, we have a whole course on how to do that with video tutorials on every single step. All right, so moving along, let's start. Let's assume that you've created a course and now you're ready to sell that course using WooCommerce. You want to go to products and then add new. And we're going to give this product the same name as our course. Essentially what this is doing is it's giving a product representation of our course so that we can link our course to a WooCommerce product. So we're going to have a product and a course, and we're going to link the two so that we can sell the course. So we'll just give it the same name. For the description, you can enter whatever you'd like. I'm just going to leave that blank for now. You can also set a product image and all that stuff. But what I want to cover are the most important things here. So here are the most important things down here, the product data. It needs to be a simple product. You'll see this linked course will disappear if it's not a simple product. So we need to link this to a course. So it has to be a simple product. And it should also be virtual, and it should also be downloadable. And we will want to give it a price. You can give it a sale price if you want. And we're going to add downloadable files. Now, this is not going to be a file. It's just going to be a link to your course. What this is going to do is when somebody orders your course, it's going to have a big button with a link to your course. It's just going to make things easier to use. We can even say on the button like start course, and we can put the course name there as well. There we go. And in terms of the URL, this will not be a file download link, but rather a link to your course page. All right, let's see what that looks like when we finish up with this video. Now go down to linked course and link this product to the course you would like to sell. All right, there we go. Now we have a product and course linked. Now I think we're ready to publish. And let's just refresh this page and look at what's changed. So you see we have the one button here, we don't have a price. Now we have a price, and we have an add to cart button. So we're almost ready to go. The only thing we haven't set is the individual lesson restriction. Now you'll see what that looks like here. If we go to order lessons, there's a really quick way to set the lesson restriction. So we'll just select the course. You can see we can set the restriction for each lesson really quickly over here. Now, the reason it's set up so that we can set the restriction for each individual lesson is that it just gives you more granular control. So you can say, we want the first lesson to be free so people can try the course out. We want the second lesson free so they can try the course out. We want the third lesson to require them to sign in for a free account, so maybe we can capture some of their information. Now, by the fourth lesson, though, you might say, well, now we want them to have to purchase the course to continue. So it just gives you much more granular control over the restriction to your course lessons. So I'm just going to go through here and select most of these. This will just take 1 second. It's not a lot of lessons here. 3 more. All right, good enough. So now we should be ready to go. This course, let me just flip over here, should be ready to go. So you can see, we also see the price here, and we see the add to cart here on the course overview pages, or the course archive page. Now let's see what happens when we click add to cart. All right, great. So I already have a coupon code applied just to show you this, so I don't have to pay for my own course. And so we're just going to check out for $0 here. We can see here we have the product, the price, and so on. Let's just click proceed to checkout and look what that looks like. So all they need to enter is their name and email address and click place order. Now I'm going to order it from this browser here with a different account. All right, so you can see here is that download link we created. Start course, WooCommerce extension example. So that's the name of the course. If I click on this, there we go. Here's our course, and it says I purchased it. So keep in mind your users will have to be logged in to see the course. So you want to make sure that your website's set up for them to log in and log out easily. And when I start the course, you can see all of these are unlocked. I can see all the lessons. Everything's good to go. Now, if I'm not logged in and I haven't purchased the course, you can see they're locked here, and we can see all those locked icons. These 2 lessons I set to free. Now, this one I set to requires just a free account. So this requires that they log in or register to view the lesson. That's it. However, these, it requires that they purchase this course, and we have the add to cart link there. All right, so that is really all there is to this extension. That's how to link WP courses and link WooCommerce so that you can start selling your courses right through WooCommerce. Now, I should also mention actually that they will also get, so let me go back here. They'll get an email as well with all of this. So they'll have it in their files when they make a purchase. And there's lots of options for that in WooCommerce. Anyway, so that's about it. That's all there is to selling courses that you've created with WP courses using WooCommerce. And really, all the payment options and all that stuff, there's a ton of those options and settings available in WooCommerce itself. So a ton of options, tons of possibilities, and overall, it's a pretty straightforward process. And you have a lot of options there. All right, that's about it. So thanks for watching.